In this module, we will look at some other abnormal situations of the pressurization system. This is an example of an abnormal procedure. The aircraft is in cruise and all systems are working normally. No, to extinguish the master car. On the engine warning display, read the title of the failure. The ECAM caution, landing elevation fault, appears amber, meaning that the pressurization system has, for some reason, lost the landing elevation data normally supplied by the FMGES. Notice that the ECAM cabin pressurization page has been automatically called with no value for the landing elevation. In this case, you have to set the landing field elevation manually. The pilot flying will ask you to perform the ECAM actions. Perform ECAM action. As soon as the selector is moved from the auto position, the action line on the engine warning display clears, and a man message appears on the cabin pressurization page. The landing elevation value will also indicate the selected value. The pressurization system is now analyzed. After review and confirmation from the pilot flying, ECAM action completed. Notice that there is no call of the status page because we have set the landing elevation manually and the system is operative. And there is a manual landing elevation indication on the cruise page. To complete this module, let's look at some other abnormal indications and what they mean. If there is an excessive positive or negative differential pressure, one of the safety valves will operate. An ECAM caution, cabin pressure safety valve open, is generated, and the safety valve indication on the cabin pressurization page changes to amber. An ECAM caution, cabin pressure forward outflow valve not open, will be displayed if the forward outflow valve has not fully opened on landing. This could mean that the aircraft is depressurizing at a slower rate and that the doors may be difficult to open. In that case, you have to take manual control of the faulty outflow valve by using the valve selector guarded selector. In all other cases, the indications on the cabin pressurization page will change to amber for abnormal indications apart from the cabin altitude indications. However, if there is an excessive cabin altitude, the indication turns red and a master warning is generated.